In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games to another drive. If your main drive is running low on space or you just picked up a faster SSD, this quick process will let Steam recognize another drive as a place to store your games, safely and without any manual file moving. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. Look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. This menu is where you'll find most of the app's global options and preferences. Next, click Settings. This opens the control center for how Steam behaves on your computer. We'll be using it to tell Steam where it's allowed to install and manage game files. Inside Settings, click Storage. The Storage section shows your existing Steam library locations and how much space is available. It's the built-in, supported way to organize where games live, and it helps avoid issues you might run into if you try to move folders by hand. At the top of the storage window, you'll see your current storage location listed, along with tools to manage it. Click the top area so Steam focuses on those storage controls. This is where you'll add a new place for your games to go. Now, click Add Drive. Steam will guide you through selecting another drive on your computer and creating a Steam library folder there. Pick the drive you want to use, confirm the suggested folder name, and let Steam set it up. A few quick tips here. Make sure the drive has enough free space for the games you plan to install. Avoid choosing protected system folders. And if you're using an external drive, keep it connected to the same port whenever you play to prevent missing file errors. If your system asks for permission to create the folder, approve it so Steam can manage your library properly. Once the new drive is added, you'll see it listed in the storage page alongside your original location. From here on out, Steam knows this drive exists and can use it. When you install games in the future, you'll be able to direct them to this new location, helping you balance space and take advantage of faster storage. If you ever run into issues, double check that your operating system sees the drive and that it's mounted and writable. That's it. You've successfully added another drive to Steam storage locations, setting yourself up for smoother installs and better space management. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your reorganized game library.